Light we cannot see in the dark. Light makes things visible. It gives a sensation of sight. Sources of light. There are many sources of light, natural as well as artificial. Natural sources. Sun. It is the major source of light for Earth. Stars. We have seen stars twinkling during night. Stars are like our sun. Stars are far away from us, so only small amount of light reaches us. Lightning. Lightning also produces light, but for a small amount of time. There are also some living creatures on Earth which can produce light. For example, we have glowworms, firefly, ultraviolet scorpion, glow millipede, and luminous gillick beetle. Besides this, there are some fungus which produce light, like light-emitting mushroom. Artificial sources. Flames produced by fire. A flame is nothing but a gas with high temperature produced in a process of burning. Candlelight. A candle is a wax with an ignitable wick embedded that provides light. Besides them, we have electric bulb, tube light, table lamp, heating elements, and many more substances which are made artificially to produce light. Reflection of light. Do you know the image formed underwater is due to reflection of light? Reflection means bouncing back of a light after hitting any surface. Mirror works on the principle of reflection of light. Moon, which is visible during nights, reflects the light received from the sun to earth. Reflection of a light in a plane mirror. The ray of light which comes from any source towards the mirror is called incident ray, and the point where it hits the mirror is called point of incidence. The ray of light which bounces back from the mirror is called reflected ray. The perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence is called normal. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. The angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Refraction of light. Refraction is the change in direction of propagation of a wave due to a change in its transmission medium. A spoon placed in a glass of water looks bent at the surface of water when viewed obliquely. Now let us study the ray diagrams. When a ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards normal. Here IO is the incident ray, OR is the refracted ray, I is the angle of incidence, and R is the angle of refraction. In this case, angle I is greater than angle R. If a ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. Here, IO is the incident ray, OR is the refracted ray, I is the angle of incidence, and R is the angle of refraction. In this case, angle R is greater than angle I.
Light is important to us. We cannot do without it.